Next, Byram City leaders want you to know about a major traffic alert. 16 WAPT's Tammy Eswick shows us where paving a road will cause a traffic shift.
Take a look at some of the tree branches that have been cut. Some of these extend into the roadway, and this is some of the prep work that crews are out here doing Friday in preparation for repaving Gary Road on Monday. The city of Byram says it'll take 45 days to repave Gary Road, and during that time, everything from Terry Road to Davis Road will turn into a one-way. In Byram, Tammy Eswick, 16 WAPT News.